everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at today DataFrame to Excel function. So alright, this stems from a request, a video request tied to deleting columns of a CSV file. So alright, the question is then, if there's a string on a row, delete the entire row. So alright, you've heard me say this before, but I'll say this again because this is super important, because I had to learn this the hard way. I do not recommend deleting anything. Make a copy, save that copy, because for some reason, every time I've ever deleted anything, I've regretted it. Especially, I mean, we have storage space, we have unknown space, unlimited space on cloud, everywhere. Just save another file, go from there. So I'm actually wanting to migrate you over to Pandas. So let's just look at this. So we're going to be looking at our, it's the class attendance, where we use to merge everything and do our ordered dictionary. So I've added a column for the day of the week corresponding to the date. So let's shrink that down and let's put this back. So okay, so we brought this in. We have our data frame, but super important, if you're new here, you're just finding us for the first time, let's make sure we're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So alright, let's say we want to remove everything that is a Friday. So we found that the information on Fridays is flawed. We have some sort of issue. So alright, we've already done a video on this, so we're just going to go through it. Because we've done equivalent, we're actually going to do non-equivalent because we want it removed. So okay, no Friday. Let's make sure I move this back so we can see everything. Okay, good. Alright, so no Friday equals new def, then our day column, then if it is not equivalent to Friday. So okay, and let's box this out. Run this again, and then we have no Friday. So here we are. We have Thursday, Saturday. We have no Fridays. So now we're going to. So we've done all this before. Everything we know here isn't anything new except for the not equivalent, the opposite. So now we're going to bring this in, and we're actually going to have an error here, and this is where we're going to have to install one extra module for some dependencies. But we're going to do this and have it fail out. I removed mine so you can see what to do. And it is simple just as this. And it is a function off of the data frame that you have. Friday.to_Excel, then whatever the file name is, and let's just call it no Friday dot xlsx, and close this out. And we're going to get an error because we do not have this module installed. So just in case you do not have this, this is how simple this is. Pip install openpyxl. So we're going to let this run because this is just one of the modules that Pandas needs for dependency to write to an Excel file on your system. So that's what we're doing right here. And this won't take but a second, and it's done. And here we go. And there we go, it's done. And then we pull up our file. We go backwards. No Friday. And let's put this so you can see. Boom. So now you have your new Excel file, and it has been deleted, removed, anything that had those strings that you did not want in your new Excel file. So there we go. Absolutely fantastic question. Didn't know when we'd get to this. I love it. And next time we get to pandas, we are going to reset the index, because that is the next timely place. So all right, I said that we'd be doing, I think, ordered dictionary, but this came in and it sounded like a pretty desperate request, so I did this. So no matter what, next video we will go back to collections and work on the ordered dictionary tied to the last pandas video. But I can't tell you guys thank you enough. Please keep dropping those comments, questions, video requests, because you are not the only one that has these questions. I promise. The best videos I have, the best performing videos I have, are videos that have been requested. So thank you very much. It makes me better. It sends me down the path that, because I know what I had trouble with, and I'd focus on those because that's what I remember being important. But this extra help leads me where we are right now. So as always, thank you guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.